Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Ford F-250. Stock number is A7842A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat in the front row. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are down here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.